Hi guys, so this is what's for dinner. Josiah, what you do with the ranch? So we have an extreme tots. I made this before on my channel, and then we're having chicken tenders. I was just gonna open up one bag, but I couldn't remember. I couldn't decide which one I wanted. The original tenders. These are from Aldi. Actually, everything's from Aldi. What? It's a spot right there in front of your face. And then we have buffalo tenders too. So I'm just gonna have one of each. And I did a create recipe on the recipe builder on WW, and this is probably about a serving size. I think it was like about 9 tater tots, and it was like 9 points. So I'm gonna put some salad dressing on here, and all it is onions, chili, cheese, and it's reduced fat cheese, tater tots, jalapenos, and then you put some onions. Some onions is already on it. I put that in the oven first, and then I put the jalapenos on it now, and I also put the ranch dressing on it now. And this is what's for dinner. So they can have what tenders they want. Yeah, this is what's for dinner. Okay guys, so this is what's for dinner. Yesterday I took out some fish, but I didn't feel like frying it, but I ended up frying it anyway, or cooking it. Ended up cooking it anyway. This is the fish, or the whitening, that we were going to have for Christmas, and so I put it in the deep fryer, and it only took like, I think I left it in there for 6 minutes, but it only took like 5 minutes, y'all. So I have some boiled potatoes. These are canned. I usually like to have boiled potatoes with fish. I don't know why. And I just season it with black pepper, I put some butter in there, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and seasoning salt, I believe. And then today I just got some canned green beans. And that's it. So that is what's for dinner. Simple. I don't have a starch or a bread. And yeah. Hi guys, so for dinner today, it's really simple. We're just having baked beans, which these are the Aldi baked country style beans, and I did doctor them up and added not a whole lot of stuff, but just like some light syrup. That's all we have right now. Light syrup and some honey. I didn't put any brown sugar or anything. Yeah, if it was a cookout or something, I would have added some more stuff to it. But we have the mixed salad greens. Go ahead, Saya. Both hands. Don't drop it. And he just has mustard on his. And we have the, I'm going to add some onions and some tomato to mine. What is this? The Angus cheddar and bacon burgers from Aldi. You get like 6 in a pack for $6. I want to say 35 cents. It is really high in WW points. It's like 16 points for one patty. So you can do like an open face, but that's what I planned on doing. But in a salad, which I still may fix a salad, I put very little beans over here, and yeah, to cut back on your points if you want to do that. Or you can get a whole wheat bun. I don't know how many points the cheddar cheese, but this is the sliced cheese that's in that pack that's near the meat section at Aldi. So anyway, this is what's for dinner. I'm adding onions, tomato to mine, mustard, and probably ketchup. So I worked hard at the gym today, so I'm gonna eat this. If you have a larger family, you may want to get 2 boxes. They do have original. Hi guys, so what's for dinner today? We are having hamburger steak, and with gravy. It's a little dark over here. I'll plate it up with some rice, which I already put some on some plates over here. Sometimes I'll put it, if you're new, sometimes I will put the food on a regular plate to show you guys, but I ain't doing that right now because my dishwasher already running. Let me turn it off. So I have some broccoli. This is just a frozen broccoli, and I have this Velveeta cheese. I accidentally got this because I thought this was what Mama was talking about one day that was really good on her. Really good on her eggs, the mini blocks, but this wasn't what she was talking about. So I just went ahead and put a block of this. Sorry if you hear the TV. I told him to turn it down. a block of this in the pan, and I had to be careful because it burns easily. But I love these Green Life pans. I'll make sure I link the video that I was talking about, and I got it from Marshall's. And cornbread. So this is what we're having for dinner. I just made this up. I use brown gravy. Usually I don't use a gravy packet, but I felt like being extra today, so I got a gravy packet, and because it makes its own juice, and then I'll use flour and stuff and doctor it up. But anyway, I use a brown gravy packet to, yeah. So what I want to do too, y'all, because sometimes I turn the camera on and I forget, I want to start putting the prices of this total meal. So if you want to create this for your own family. But the ground beef, it's just simply like, I chopped up some onions, but most of the time I usually do the onion soup mix, and I will just like pepper, a little bit of salt, some garlic salt, a little bit of that, some black peppercorn. I like to use that, or black pepper, whatever you have. Let me pull out the drawer because I forget. Some garlic powder and some onion powder, and then I use some Bada Complete seasoning. Yeah, Bada Complete seasoning. I just ran out, so I think that's all. Oh no, I put some little bit of liquid smoke, just a little bit in it, and then I also put some Worcestershire sauce in it, and that's it. Sometimes I did put some egg in it today, like whisk 2 eggs together just to help make it, you know, bind together. But sometimes I don't do that, and I was going to add some breadcrumbs, but I didn't want it to be like meatloafy like. But anyway, really you can't go wrong with hamburger steak. It's almost like making hamburgers or like making meatloaf. So that's what's for dinner, and I'll make sure I put the total price of this meal. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like all plated up. These little paper plates, they are not the super large ones, but yeah. So this is cornbread. Well, yeah, this is what it looks like all plated up. So what's for dinner? And now I'm sharing, guys, a little buffet that I set up for the family for Valentine's Day, and also for myself for my birthday. So I just celebrated my 39th birthday, and usually I like to get the cupcakes from Walmart and the little cookies from Walmart as well. And my cake came from Harris Teeter. It was a red velvet cake, and it was okay, but I don't know if I'll get it again for my birthday. And this is just a little selfie that I took on that day. And for that weekend, we went to Outback Steakhouse. I wish I got the burger like Jason did. I wish I got a better picture, but instead of what I got. And also, we celebrated Jason's 40th birthday on the 21st of February. And this is a little buffet that I did for him. For breakfast, I usually do this when it's Father's Day or his birthday, and just make him a really nice breakfast. And for his birthday, we had that weekend, we went to the Tobacco Road, I think it's Sports Calf in Durham. I forgot to take a picture of the food beforehand, but it was really nice. Family and friends came, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.